20th Century Fox Bloopers 101. Wait, I'm going on to the different one. Oh, come on, not the Dreamwalker version. Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox and Dreamwalker version? Because this one was made in 2006. No, this is the remade one. The real one was made in 2006. Silly. Well, I don't care. Cut. Why the 20th Century Fox cartoon? Because the best. Look, do you want me to flip you around? No, please don't do a roll flip you around. Well, never mind. Too late, since you're going to be back talking me. No. Ow! And one more time. No. Okay, time to slap the pie on your face. Ow! What was that fanfare? Okay, cut. Why did it say 20th century destroyed? And then how did it become? Well, no, it's not cool. It's totally uncalled for and stupid. Okay? So you need to search for the real logo instead of just stupid old dummy. Why does it say 21st Century Fox? Because it's the 21st century. Well, I don't care. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox, not 21st Century Fox. Oh, Jesus! That was hilarious! Oh, jeez! Oh, I hate you. Cut. Okay, why does it say 20th Century Steve G. Carter Raven Caleb, Vorko, April Channel, Justin Johnson, Carrie,
346 minutes later.
Marble 101, Allison Brew, Disney, whatever that is, Peevis, and Teardrop Ban. Because they're like 20th century Teardrop fan. You didn't even read all that, but all you said was blah blah blah. Yeah, because you need to blah 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 yourself. Oh yeah? How about I blah 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 you? Well, fine. What a very nice comeback. What is that? Never expected all this. Oh man, I tricked you so much. I tricked you so bad. Oh my god. Oh man, I really got you so good. Oh god. Ew. Okay, well I'm gonna do that to you. No, don't make me big. Oh, don't tell me what not to do.
Care for a cup of Wilkins coffee? No, I don't like coffee. This has been a public service and
Cut. Sorry, I gotta get rid of the captions because they're in my way. Why does it say first? Again, are you kidding me? Why does it say first century of the YouTube? Because it's the best. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, it's not supposed to say first century of the YouTube. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox, and it's supposed to be live action, like I said. Fine, you idiot. Oh, don't you insult me, or I'll throw you in the air again. No, please don't. Well, okay, it's time for me to brush your hair super hard. No, don't do that. You're gonna harm me. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Ow. Ah. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, that hurts. Oh, you want me to do it again? Ow, 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 ow. Please stop. Please stop. I hate this. If you don't do this on your last chance, I'm going to be doing this to you for 10 hours. Oh, please no. I'm going to die if I do that. Thank you so much. Now, please leave now. Okay. Oh, wait, I almost forgot one thing. Get back here. Ow! 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 Okay, you can go now. Ow, you jerk. Why do you want to... Don't do this. Huh.